Hi guys. So today we are going to talk about evolution of authentication. So imagine that you have three favorite playhouses. These are the three houses. And in the old days of the internet, every single house gave you a different key. So you had to remember which key opened which door. So for this you have key 1, key 2 and key 3 for each door. You have to remember each key, and this is called as client server authentication. So the client is you show up at the door and say, here is my secret key, and the server, which is the house, it checks its own little notebook to see if you're right. Now what is the problem here? So if you have 100 playhouses, you need 100 different keys, and most people got tired and started using the same key for every house. But if a bad guy steals that one key, they can now enter every house you own, right? Now enters the IDP. It is the smarter idea, the identity provider or IDP. Think of IDP like a super secure passport office like Google, Microsoft, or Apple. And instead of giving your secret password to every random playhouse, you only give it to the ID office. So now let's understand how this works. Okay, so now you go to the house, the Roblox house. The house asks, who are you? Instead of giving them a key, you say, ask the ID office, they know me. The ID office gives you a magic sticker which is called as a token. Now you show this sticker to the house and that they let you in. So the modern authentication solves three big problems. There are no more key rings. You only need to remember one master password for your ID office. Safety. The small playhouses never actually see your password. They only see the magic sticker. If a playhouse gets broken into, the hacker does not get your password. Now you might be wondering, what if they see the magic sticker? So that is the token and it has some expiry time. So it is active for 10 or 15 or 20 minutes, and even if the attacker or the hacker gets it, he can barely do something. The last one, the extra locks. Since the ID office is a big strong building, they can add cool stuff like MFA, that's like a fingerprint scan or a secret code sent to your phone to make sure that it's really you. So to wrap it all up, let's look at this picture. This covers everything we just learned. So here's a difference between the old way and the new way, that is legacy authentication and the modern authentication. So in legacy authentication, there's your actual username and password with every app. For modern authentication, a digital magic sticker, that is token from a trusted source, that this is what you share. What about safety? In legacy authentication, if one app is hacked, your password is leaked everywhere. In modern authentication, apps never see your password, they only see the token. Convenience. You have to remember a different key for every single door, which is little inconvenient. For modern authentication, there's only one master key, that is IDP, opens all your apps, that is SSO. Extra security, usually just a password, very easy to guess. For legacy authentication, for modern authentication, it uses MFA, multi-factor authentication, like codes, fingerprints or face ID. What about expiration? So in legacy authentication, since you are using your password, it will stay valid until you manually change it. But in modern authentication, the magic sticker expires automatically after a short time. So this was all about the IDP, how it works, and modern authentication. And if you would like to know more about how the playhouse and the IDP communicates with each other, then please subscribe to my channel, because I will be coming up with another video very soon. Thank you for watching.